When you ask, is my marriage worth saving? What you're really asking is, do I have enough fight left in me to keep going? And that question starts in the wrong place because it presumes that your marriage will remain in its current state. And that means you've given up before you've even started. Hi, I'm Mimi, and someone who knows the misery of wasting years being stuck, doing the same thing over and over and getting nowhere. Now, a 5-time Master Certified Life Coach and mentor to leaders and the insanely happy wife to Edward, it has since been my honor to provide bold guidance and support to the brave spouse who's realized that the one who decides to step up also becomes the one who transforms everything. Now, what you're really hoping for when wondering if you've still got some fight left in you is to confirm whether or not your thoughts are valid. But this is again making a presumption based on your current circumstances. This means that your focus is on what's broken and that you're measuring the worth of your marriage by the past and not by the potential of the future you get to create. So instead of asking, is my marriage worth saving? The real question, the one that gives you back your agency is, am I ready to become the person who can lead myself so that I can lead my marriage back to love? That single shift puts the control right in the palm of your hands where it belongs. Therefore, if you've been circling with should I stay or should I go, you don't have to stay stuck anymore because now you get to ask the empowered question instead. And the moment you do, everything changes. If you want a clear roadmap for what that actually looks like, that's what I'll guide you through inside the Marriage Muscle Club. Join me there now. The link is in the description. Then come back here because in the next video, I'll show you how to clear the fog when you don't know what to do. Before you go, let me tell you what you've already accomplished by staying with me through this video. You've flipped from a powerless question to an empowered one. That shift alone is a breakthrough that most spouses never make, and you just did it. Thanks for listening. I'm Mimi Negron, the Marriage Muscle Coach, and this is where strength begins. See you in the next video.